presentation. First of all, what did you think? How was it? Yeah, it was really good, wasn't it? I stayed for the whole thing. I thought she had excellent information. And how much did you understand? 70, 100%, some of you. Yeah, she used really good language and she had really good information. So I'd like you to turn to a partner. And I'm just going to give you about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And I want you to say, what were the main takeaways for you? What was the main ideas that you remember or you thought was interesting or useful that you could use in your own life? So please go ahead. You can turn around, turn together. You're nice and close today. So turn to a partner. What were the main takeaways for you? Oh, yeah.
If you have a uniform, make sure it's clean with no tears. She means tears.
What was the first part again? Could you repeat that? If you have...
A uniform.
Oh, yeah. So tears is the same spelling as another word called tears. And when we say tear, it means like there's like a rip or a hole in your clothing. So if you have a uniform and there's like holes or tears, then it looks really bad. Yeah, great question. Yeah, not tears, no. Oh, you took lots of notes, Daniela. That's great. Excellent. And Trang's got her pictures. Yeah. Good. Is it the uniform, Lettuce? The uniform, the clothing they wear? Mm-hmm.
I don't understand why she say no tears.
You know, Basma just asked me that question. So tears is when you're crying, but we have another word that's spelled the same called tear. Like hair, but with a T, tear. And that's when, like, if you rip your clothes or there's like a hole. So we call it a tear, just like we tear paper. No, tear. Yeah, so you can imagine if you have a uniform and there's holes or there's tears, it looks very bad, unprofessional. So yeah, that's good. You both heard that. Yeah, not tears, tears. We're all sitting on this side, so you can go ahead and find a spot. All right, 1 more minute to finish off your conversations. All right, so if I can get your attention back, please. So that was great. I saw lots of you with your notes, or some of you take pictures with your phone. It was nice to hear you had lots to talk about. You had some real takeaways from that presentation. And it was an excellent presentation. I thought the information she used was really useful and really relevant to our conversations we've been having about employment and workplace culture. All right, so something came up, a few people asked, so I want to tell everyone the difference between tear and tear. And so she was talking about, to put it in context, that you don't want to have a uniform with a tear in it. And then some of you said, a tear? But of course, tears are when we're crying. Tear, same spelling, different pronunciation.